Oh, that's real good.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel Penny Lesson. We talk about everything finance, from tips on making money and proper investing to news about the different economies and situations affecting the global markets. The goal of this channel is not only to teach you how to be more financially responsible but also to teach you how to be more aware of global events. So why not just sit back and relax while we tell you what's happening in the finance sphere? Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be constantly updated on my latest videos. Remember, one penny lesson a day keeps being penny less away. With the recession coming up, one must always remember that there is opportunity in chaos. By equipping yourself with the proper knowledge, you, too, can turn this mayhem into something profitable. Sit back and relax as I teach you how to make the most of this upcoming recession. In the 1600s, the Dutch East India Company utilized hundreds of ships to engage in international commerce in commodities such as gold, porcelain, spices, and silks. However, the cost of running such a vast business was high. The corporation looked to private citizens, those who might make financial investments to support the trip in exchange for a percentage of the ship's revenues so that they could pay for their costly journeys so that they could continue operating. Because of this technique, the firm could finance even more epic journeys, resulting in increased earnings for both the company and its astute investors. As a result of the Dutch East India Company's sale of these shares at coffee houses and shipping ports all over the continent, the world's first stock market was born. Since then, several enterprises have solicited financial backing from prospective investors to sustain their operations. And in today's world, there are entire educational institutions, professional paths, and even television channels devoted to studying the stock market. But the stock market as it exists today is much more challenging to understand than it was when it first started. How do businesses and investors take advantage of the market in the modern era? Imagine a brand new coffee firm that has decided to enter the market. To begin, the corporation will focus its marketing efforts on significant investors. If they believe the firm has potential, they are given priority when making investments. They can also sponsor the company's initial public offering (IPO). This takes the firm onto the formal public market, where any corporation or individual who feels the business might be lucrative may acquire stock and participate in the company's growth. Investors receive a portion of the company's ownership stake when they purchase supplies. Their investment contributes to the expansion of the business. When the firm achieves more significant levels of success, more investors may see the company's potential and begin purchasing its shares. The price of those stocks will rise in proportion to their increased demand. This will result in higher prices for potential purchasers, while simultaneously boosting the value of the firm's shares that individuals currently possess. This increasing interest helps the firm fund new efforts and increases its total market worth by displaying how eager people are to invest in their concept. For the company, this is a win-win situation. On the other hand, if a business appears less profitable for some unknown reason, then the opposite might also occur. If shareholders believe the value of their stock will fall short, they may choose to liquidate their holdings to realize a profit before the company's stock falls any more in price. The price of a company's stock and the market value of the business both decline due to decreased demand for the shares and more sales of that stock. Unless the firm begins to show signs of being profitable again, investors might suffer significant losses. Several different causes drive this back and forth between supply and demand. It is impossible for businesses to escape the inescapable effect of market forces, including the ever-shifting cost of labor, varying manufacturing technologies, and variable raw materials prices. Several things might cause concern for investors, including shifts in management, negative press, and more systemic changes, such as new legislation and trade policies. Additionally, there are a significant number of investors who are simply prepared to sell excellent assets to follow other interests. Daily market noise is caused by all of these different factors, which can make certain businesses look more or less successful. And in the stock market, giving the impression of losing value frequently results in the loss of investors, which in turn results in the loss of actual value. The level of trust that individuals have in the market has the potential to set off a wide variety of economic and financial events. Because of this difficult-to-track element, most financial experts recommend investing reliably over the long term rather than trying to generate immediate income. Despite this, industry professionals continuously develop new techniques to improve their chances of achievement in this unpredictable environment. But the stock market is accessible to more people than just the wealthy and powerful. Because of the advent of the internet, small investors can now acquire stocks in many of the same ways that large investors do. And as more individuals educate themselves about this intricate system, they too will be able to trade stocks, lend their support to firms in which they have faith, and work toward achieving their monetary objectives. The first thing to do is to start investing. Well, there you have it. A quick historical context about how the stock market works. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Wow, was that news? Why not ponder it? Want to know the latest? Comment if you want more articles like this. This video is just one of many videos on my channel that brings you the latest news about the world of global finance and economics. So go hit that subscribe button if you don't miss out on content like these. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you again next time. Remember, 1 penny lesson a day keeps being penny less away. Cheers.